Let's talk about using sweet flavors to make your healthy homemade meals taste better than restaurant food. Are you done? Okay. So just like with salt, the food industry knows that people will eat a lot more food if it has sugar in it, even things that you wouldn't think to be sweet, like crackers or bread. So for most of human history, eating as much as you can when you came across sweet, high-calorie foods could mean the difference between surviving and not surviving hard times. But now that sugar and refined carbohydrates are so abundant, that instinct is literally killing us, as chronically high blood sugar is the root of all chronic disease. But we can use this to our advantage to make healthy foods more palatable. A little sweetness adds variety and satisfies that sweet tooth that might otherwise lead us to binge on unhealthy foods after a meal. Plus, always thinking of adding a sweet component can help you plan healthy meals. Think about having nutrient-dense sweet things like sweet potatoes or butternut squash. And adding balsamic vinegar or honey or maple syrup to a salad dressing, you can put it on roasted vegetables, will make any vegetable taste good. So for a quick, easy salad dressing, I always take my greens and then a swirl of really good quality olive oil and then a swirl of good quality balsamic vinegar. Of course, salt. And, and toss it really well. Secret to a good salad. Just make sure you season it and toss it really well.